In this project, we are going to use artificial intelligence to build a classification model that can recognize and difference between different categories based on data. To achieve this, we will use teachable machine, a user-friendly platform developed by Google that allows anyone to create machine learning models without needing programming skills. Teachable machine works by training a model using examples such as image, audio, or poses. The system learns patterns from this data and then uses that knowledge to classify new inputs automatically. Overall, this tool is useful for quickly developing AI-based solution that can recognize patterns and support decision-making process in an automated way.
In this practice, we focus on the wine production process, especially the grape harvest. We use the teachable machine to simulate how artificial intelligence can help in this stage. The harvest is important because we need to know if the grapes are ready. To decide this, factors like color, sugar level, and acidity are important. Today, farmers use sensors to check these conditions. In our case, we simulate this with a visual model that works like a camera. This model classifies the grapes and helps us decide if they are ready to be harvested.
To train our model, we collected images of grapes for different stages: unripe, intermediate, ripe, and rotten. For each category, we uploaded then images into teachable machine. Then we labeled each group accordingly and trained the model so we could learn the visual differences between them. After the training process, we tested the model with new images to check its accuracy and verify that it could correctly classify the grapes based on their stage.
The project starts with the training of the model, which is the core of system and works as the software recognizes the object of interest. Science model is virtual. It needs hardware to interact with the environment. In this case, the device camera, which captures image in real time. These images are processed by the training model to identify grapes based on their visual characteristics. Thanks to the integration of software and hardware, the system can detect grapes in real environment and also determine their level of readiness, which is important for decision making.
This project shows how artificial intelligence can be applied to a real process like detection of the state of a grape using teachable machine. The model was trained with images of grapes in different stages, allowing it to recognize visual patterns such as color and texture. The system integrates software, the AI model, and hardware, the camera, enabling real-time image capture and analysis. This simulates how technology can support decision-making in agriculture. However, the model has some limitations. The dataset is small, which may reduce accuracy, and it only uses visual data, ignoring important factors like sugar level and acidity. In conclusion, the project demonstrates that AI can support the grape harvesting process by identifying ripeness automatically. Even though the model works well as a prototype, it needs more data and additional variables to be reliable in real-world conditions. Overall, it shows the potential of AI as a useful tool in agricultural decision-making.